Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. No matter what you're cooking, you're gonna need salt. I wanna show you this really high quality kosher salt from Diamond Crystal. This kosher salt is really delicious and it adds a really pure, clean taste. It has no additives and it has a really unique structure to it that allows it to be absorbed really quickly and mixed in really easily. And it has this really nice flake consistency. So if you are seasoning something where you're looking for a coarse salt, this is such a great option. This is also great as a finishing salt, like on a caramel or something where maybe you want to have a little bit of that salt crunch texture. This is a really great option as well. I use this all the time in my cooking and we keep it on hand. I purchased it in a large container, in fact, a 3-pound box, which doesn't fit in my cabinet. So that is why I just dole it out into these smaller containers where I can easily access it. I love this salt because it is pure, natural, it has a really clean taste, and of course, it enhances my cooking. So if you're looking for a nice quality kosher salt, check out the Diamond Crystals. That's my point of view.